We're in the project lab, and the UM Mechanical Engineering Tech students are restoring the Donnell clapboard mill lathe. It was unique in that it made 8-foot long clapboards. We think the machine was maybe made by Lane Manufacturing. Students stripped off the lead paint. This is primer. And they're going to end up making it John Deere green, just like Bill Donnell had. Stock, all restored. They've painted it, put in grease. That's for adjusting.
That's on the other side.
Okay, and they've restored these pulleys. They're gorgeous. Yeah, this is the tool that will actually take a 2-foot diameter pine log and make it round. And that's an original tool bit. The students also made some CAD models.
To let us use their ferro arm.
Oh.
Which is some really intense and brand new technology, just a 3D scan. Supports where it's bolted in.
Yeah, so one of the bearings was made of cast iron. It actually failed, and they've actually made a model, a CNC model, and plan to make a duplicate in steel. Bearing assembled with the new part. There also was one center bearing made from wood, and that's original. Pretty amazing. This is the screw that moves the cutting bit. Seems to be in pretty good shape. Ways for the traveling tool bit are mostly bolted on, but they found that one was actually welded on. And we think the reason is that a lot of force on the original bolts that held the ways down have been bent, which is why they were welded on this one piece. The students are going to put stronger bolts and have done some machining so they'll fit really nicely. And your whole team worked on this?
Yes, we did. Every single one of us.
And it's coming to the museum, I guess, in a couple of weeks.
Yes, it'll be ready for you.
Thank you, Katie.
No problem.